Owning a condo at the beach creates a dynamic of what we call 1,000 moving parts. There's just a lot involved in that process. It takes a lot to keep all of that kind of moving smoothly. We understand that the owners of these condos are trusting us to handle the whole process. And so for us, the whole process includes marketing and revenue management. That means it's priced right and it's presented well on the internet as people search for vacation. And then ultimately it's about hospitality, opening the door, rolling out the red carpet, and having a fantastic vacation. And the secret to your success is to do all of that in such a way where you're invisible while you're doing it.
Working with Liquid Life has made my life infinitely easier. Ever since I made that jump, I have not looked back. My properties have all performed better. My properties are all maintained better. I honestly feel like Liquid Life's staff, they seem to find people that actually care about my properties, and I'm eternally grateful for that.
Clean Condo is the name of our condo care division. It's 70% of our employees.
Our Liquid Life Condo Care team is a group of high energy individuals that are addicted to adrenaline. We love the high occupancy days, all of the chaos that comes with that, making sure that everything is done on time for our guests. They stay aligned very well, and we believe that's because they work together. Maintenance, quality assurance, housekeeping, and linen and laundry are all committed to our standards of excellence, our quality commitment.
We are committed to providing a safe and clean environment for our guests. We're all working together. We share the same goals. It's very efficient. I think it's why we're successful. We make your life easy.
Our job as the marketing department is to get people excited, or get our guests, our owners excited about coming down to the beach. We are the music makers. We are the dreamer of dreams. And we come up with new strategies and opportunities to help keep units booked.
Here at Liquid Life Guest Services, we're basically with the guests from the beginning of their journey until the end. We're here to answer any questions that a guest might have regarding their property, area events, what's taken place. If something comes up during their stay with an issue, we're there to help them with that. But most importantly, Guest Services is here to help them have a wonderful experience while they're here.
When you buy a condo and you drive off to your hometown and you leave it with us, we got the 1,000 moving parts, and we have an entire team set up to handle each part of that process so that anything that comes up, we're ready for it. It's a problem-solving business. We have a problem-solving team.